Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just type here Minecraft launcher and then right click on it, and after that go to app settings and now scroll down, scroll until you find here repair, click on it, and that's it. Now close this window and then restart your PC, and after restarting your PC your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do, just right click here, open task manager, and then just close the applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. As you see, right click and click in task, and that's it. Close all the applications that you don't need here, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.